If you're short on space but still crave thunderous bass, these 6.5-inch subwoofers pack a surprising punch and are perfect for compact installs, under-seat boxes, or tight enclosures. Let's kick off with the massive audio GTX 64, one of the most powerful and efficient compact subs in the market today. Built for serious bass in tight places, the GTX 64 features a dual 4-ohm configuration and delivers 250 watts RMS with a peak output of 500 watts. It uses a 70-ounce magnet and a 1.5-inch copper voice coil to ensure deep, tight bass response without distortion. The cone is constructed from fiber-reinforced paper for an ideal blend of stiffness and sound quality, and the 4.06-inch mounting depth makes it fit easily in shallow enclosures. Whether you're building a stealth box or adding boom to a small vehicle, the GTX 64 impresses with its output and durability. Customers rave about the sound quality and how well it handles power, even under aggressive use. Next up is the massive audio GTR 62. Another gem from the same brand but designed for even more intense output. This 6.5-inch subwoofer features a dual 2-ohm configuration and is capable of a whopping 400 watts RMS. The GTR 62 is engineered to move more air and hit deeper frequencies without requiring a massive box or tons of space. Its heavy-duty steel basket and high-roll surround keep the woofer stable even during high excursion, ensuring that the bass remains clean and tight. This model is especially praised for its hard-hitting sound in small enclosures, making it an ideal option for anyone building a powerful, space-saving bass setup. If you're looking for impact and clarity in a compact design, the GTR 62 delivers without compromise. Coming in third is the Earthquake Sound SWS 6.5X, a shallow mount subwoofer that excels in ultra-tight spaces. With a depth of just 1.77 inches, it's perfect for factory door locations, under-seat boxes, or custom panels where space is critically limited. Despite the small size, it still pushes out 100 watts RMS and 200 watts peak, making it ideal for balanced bass rather than overwhelming boom. Earthquake's patented SWS shallow woofer system technology helps maximize excursion and bass output, giving you a full, rich low end without the bulk. Many users install these in OEM locations and report night and day improvement in bass response. It's an outstanding solution for those who want a subtle but noticeable upgrade in a sleek, low-profile form. Next on the list is the DAYTON Audio DCS165-4, a classic 6.5-inch subwoofer known for its clean response and excellent value. With a 4-ohm impedance and solid build quality, it delivers smooth, articulate bass that's perfect for small enclosures and sealed boxes. The paper cone and rubber surround are engineered for natural, non-fatiguing sound reproduction, making it a popular choice among audio purists. This sub is rated at 60 watts RMS but can handle more with the right setup. While it may not be the most powerful on this list, it earns high praise for musicality and clarity, especially in systems designed for balanced listening rather than SPL competitions. If you appreciate detailed, low-end response in tight spaces, this DAYTON model won't disappoint. Finally, we have the LANZAR Max P64, a budget-friendly 6.5-inch subwoofer that brings a lot of boom for the buck. With a peak power rating of 600 watts and a 4-ohm impedance, it's a solid performer for entry-level installs or second system builds. The subwoofer features a non-pressed paper cone, wide foam surround, and a bumped vented pole piece that helps reduce heat and distortion. Despite its price point, the MAXP 64 handles bass quite well and holds up to regular use, making it a favorite among budget-conscious buyers. It's also Amazon's choice in the 6.5-inch subwoofer category, with hundreds of positive reviews praising its build quality and surprisingly deep output.